Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, you hear Uber in the background as the sun is rising, warming up. I got a text message from Mike this morning that says, when you wake up and your brain is functioning, give me a call. Well, I instantly knew what the problem was. I figured whether he got stuck in his driveway again or going through the mud, he slid off and hit a tree. Yeah, he got stuck again. So we're gonna take Uber down there this morning and see how bad he's stuck, where he's stuck, all of that. Get him out. It was a long day yesterday. Went and got my truck and then went to Mama V's, worked there until about 3:30, 4 o'clock. And then I had to go to Russellville. I went to Russellville. I didn't get back until 9:30 last night and left out at about 7 yesterday morning. So that's a long day. But Uber is ready to go. Let's get her down there and see what the problem is. Chanel. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. A little bit of adversity.
Well, guys, there you have it. Drifter down.
You would, don't run, please. Don't run.
So you already know what comment I'm gonna get is like, will this boy ever learn his lesson?
You know, I also talked to some of my viewers and subscribers, which are a lot of you guys as well. And I already know, I've already told you, let me have it, sling it my way, because I know. Listen, when you do something one time, it was an accident, you can't really say much. But when you know better and you know there's a chance and you do it anyway and something happens, well, I'm ready to take my lashings.
This is a good learning lesson for everybody. When you try to get lazy and take a shortcut, a lot of times it causes more work and it'll bite you in the rump shaker.
Like a Pac-Man.
Good morning, beautiful.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Well, even though your daddy got me up this morning early with a text message saying that he was stuck, basically, I'm going to have to say it's turned into quite the positive because I get to see your beautiful smile this morning. So, good morning. Let me get off this tractor and give you a hug.
Yay. I love her.
And I love you. Let's see what the damage is here. Good morning, buddy. Well, you don't sound so chipper this morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Has your voice box not woke up yet? Oh, yeah, you good and stuck this morning.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Your boots is really, really
Yeah, oh yeah.
Well, you know, I looked at the weather forecast.
What the weather say for us?
The weather says tomorrow and Sunday is going to be a lot of rain, so this ain't going to get any better anytime soon.
So what you're telling me is in March I can drive back to my house.
I will tell you, driving back and forth through it has made it longer and worse.
Yeah, I know.
You took two small spots and turned into, well, now Mud Rally 9000.
Yeah, I realize that.
I can understand why the truck got stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can understand why the truck got stuck, Serenity? Yeah.
You understand why the truck got stuck.
Now if we could just get your dad to understand.
Listen, Serenity is like the perfect blend of Lissa and I. You hear how loud she is and outspoken, and she is ready to take on the world, but look at that.
She's got common
She's
sense.
also got Lissa's like, I understand why not to do this.
Good morning, wild man.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good.
Hey, Lissa. Good morning. Oh, just be like, saving the day.
He don't want to wear his boots.
I'm gonna hop on the truck if I can get over there without getting my boots on.
All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. This is going to be a short one this morning. I need to get these guys unstuck so those guys can get to school, because Jacob needs to get to school so he can speak up. You know,
Gotta learn how to use them lips.
yeah, he got to get over there with his friends so he all of a sudden has a voice box. You know how it is when they talk to uncles or parents, you know, they're like, they get to their friends, they're like, hey, what's going on, George? What's up, buddy? And all of that. It's funny. And then you put two of them or three of them in the same room, all of a sudden their ears stop working and they feel like they got to yell.
Jacob,
They're like yelling.
I need you guys to load up in the truck.
Don't have no grip no more.
No, well, they're
Now there's racing slicks.
they were dirt commanders, but now they're mud followers.
Yep. All right, guys, love every single one of y'all. It is Friday. I hope y'all have a great weekend. I hope y'all take a step closer to your goals. Maybe have a little fun this weekend and eat some good groceries, but keep it real when you're doing it, guys. Love every single one of y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Come on.